Fattest slug I've ever seen.
Welcome to today's video. We're somewhere on the border of France and Spain, and this has been the weather since we got there. We're trying to make the best out of it, and we went for a ride today. A little intermezzo in which we put on our rain jackets because we kind of already expected that something like this will happen. Anyway, what we will do today is hopefully at least a little loop that takes us up the pass here near our campground, then into Spain, and we go kind of a little bit into Spain and then back again via France, if we can get our moods up a little bit. We made it to the top. It was not too bad, right?
The climb as such? No.
It wasn't like too easy or so, but it was nothing compared to the Mur de Bretagne. And then you have this cool view, which is not too bad.
So this is the border going right across. This is the Spanish bar and this is the French bar. Our lonely gravel loop wasn't so lonely after all. We crashed some sort of rave.
Yeah, people together, big trucks, and a big sound installations as well. But we were already wondering, right?
Last night,
In the middle of the night.
where the techno music came from.
Yeah, and still this morning and until I guess 2 or so.
Yeah.
But now we know.
Yeah, came from the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Somewhere lost in the Basque country. Might is fighting today.
Come on.
This is almost the end of the third out of 4 climbs. The biggest one today. Look how beautiful it is. Such a nice view. Almost done with our climb. How lonely is it here?
Really?
We're almost meeting no one. That's apparently where we are. Basque, French, Spanish, Maita. Who knows where we have to go here? Where it looks cool. No interview.
No comment.
There's the end of it. And from now on, downhill to France.
We made it to the top. And we have a Madeleine. And we don't have only clouds. It's actually a little bit blue.
Yeah.
And sometimes sun.
Pretty amazing.
Finally.
After the last 2 days of rain,
Yeah.
that's actually quite nice.
Yeah, it was mega crap.
We made it back to our weird camping, which looks less weird
Now that the sun is shining.
out.
Yeah, definitely looks less weird.
The biker gang, which was sleeping there, is also gone.
Biker gang. There was
Well.
like 60-year-olds who just drank a lot
Yes.
and had motorbikes.
We had a very drunk French conversation with one of them yesterday,
Yeah.
who wanted to give us wine, but
Then decided.
in the end decided that our wine was anyway better.
So we gave him wine.
So we gave him our wine.
It was cool.
Also funny. Yeah.
Yeah. Until the next.